Welcome to Wow Auto Car. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, a true testament to American muscle and engineering prowess. This latest iteration of the iconic GT500 series pushes the boundaries of performance, design, and technology. Under the hood, the 2025 Shelby GT500 houses a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine, delivering a staggering output exceeding 800 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. This makes it the most potent production Mustang to date, ensuring an adrenaline-pumping driving experience. The engine pairs seamlessly with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, providing rapid and smooth gear shifts for optimal performance. The exterior design is both aggressive and aerodynamic. A prominent grille adorned with the Cobra emblem, flanked by sleek LED headlights, commands attention. The carbon fiber body kit, featuring side skirts, a front splitter, a hood vent, and a substantial rear wing, not only reduces weight but also enhances aerodynamic efficiency. Flared fenders accommodate larger wheels and tires, contributing to the GT500's formidable stance. Inside, the cabin exudes a blend of luxury and sportiness. High-quality materials like carbon fiber accents, leather upholstery, and aluminum trim create a premium atmosphere. The driver-centric cockpit includes a 12-inch digital instrument cluster displaying vital performance metrics, while the 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. Optional features such as Recaro bucket seats, a Bang & Olufsen sound system, and a panoramic sunroof cater to both comfort and performance enthusiasts. Performance-wise, the GT500 is engineered for both straight-line speed and track prowess. The advanced suspension system, equipped with adjustable springs, Brembo brakes, Michelin Pilot Sport tires, and carbon fiber wheels, ensures exceptional handling and stability. The inclusion of an electronic limited slip differential, torque vectoring, and multiple driving modes allows drivers to tailor the car's dynamics to their preferences. Features like launch control and line lock systems further enhance its drag strip capabilities. Safety hasn't been overlooked. The 2025 GT500 comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including multiple airbags, stability and traction control systems, and advanced driver assistance technologies like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These features provide peace of mind without compromising the car's high-performance nature. In terms of fuel efficiency, while the GT500 prioritizes performance, it strikes a reasonable balance for its class. Prospective buyers should anticipate fuel consumption figures that align with high-powered sports cars, ensuring that the thrill of driving doesn't come at an exorbitant fuel cost. The 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 is expected to hit showrooms in late 2025, with a starting price around $80,000. A limited production Hertz GT500H model, featuring a distinctive black and gold livery, will also be available, paying homage to the legendary 1966 rental car and priced over $100,000. In conclusion, the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 embodies the evolution of the American muscle car, blending raw power with modern sophistication. Its impressive performance, cutting-edge technology, and striking design make it a formidable contender in the high-performance sports car segment. Whether you're a longtime Mustang enthusiast or new to the world of performance cars, the 2025 GT500 promises an exhilarating driving experience that's hard to match. Stay tuned to Wow Auto Car for more updates and in-depth reviews on the latest automotive marvels.